good afternoon. Welcome to Happy Eats. I'm your host, Dave. Today we're going to be talking about how to smoke a turkey breast the right way. First off, you got to choose what blend of pellets or what blend of wood you're going to be using. I prefer the Pit Boss competition blend. Second of all, you always want to preset your smoker. I have my smoker preset to 250 degrees. I have it heating up now. And then, of course, picking out the turkey breast. I have here a 4-pound turkey breast that I've already marinated with some the Duke's mayonnaise and some salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. That's all I'm going to do with it. I put it in the refrigerator overnight. Let those juices and everything just soak in there, all those good flavors. And then what you do is you take it out of the refrigerator and you want to bring it back up to room temperature. You always want to cook your poultry beginning at room temperature. It helps cook faster and it locks in the juices and locks in the flavor. Now you can cook it in the pan or you don't have to, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to cook it in the pan. I just use that to hold it. But you're going to put it in there and you're going to put it in with a flat piece down. And by the way, I already took the neck off the back here. As you can see, I already took the neck out. Okay, just keep the breast open. It helps sit in the smoker a lot more evener. So anyway, go ahead and put that right in there like that. Now let that sit right there in the middle. And we're going to be looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. At that temperature there, we're going to take it out. We're going to wrap it. And we're going to let it rest for about 10 or 15 minutes before we cut into it. Alright, here we are. We're about done. I'm going to do a temperature check here. So what we got. Got 168. Look at the juice just flowing out of it. This one here is 175. Look at the juice just coming out. Wow. All right. Let's take this, take a look at it, see how we did here. Oh my. Wow. Look at that. Look how juicy it is. Look at that. The juice just running out of it. Man. Alright. Take a piece of this here. A little bit of that skin. Oh, so good. And that's how you do a turkey breast perfectly on your Pit Boss smoker. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.